Verse.
Hey everybody, Troy here. This is I Surrender by Hillsong, one of my favorite worship songs of all time that I actually had forgotten about. One of the Guitar for His Glory members mentioned this and had asked if I would do it. And I'm like, oh man, I love that song and totally forgot about it. So tackled the parts, played it in the original key without a capo. I think the gentleman who plays the parts on this song, if I'm not mistaken, plays it with a capo. But I arranged it without a capo. I think it works pretty well. Try to set up the auto wah sound to get that like filtery, muffled tone going for the chorus. And then it's all, you know, matchless HC30 style tone for the instrumental and the lead parts and stuff like that. So I Surrender by Hillsong. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Intro. Verse. Chorus.